Here talking about.
What is you? I said you. You can take the nigga out the ghetto, but you can't take the ghetto out of the nigga. That's why you watch that fucking Jerry Springer and Maury Povich and shit like that. Because you got that ratchet shit in you. That's what it is. Ratchet motherfucker. I said, no, I teach school. I play drums. And I'm a mentor, but I'm fucking ratchet. It don't make no sense. I don't know when the motherfucker is used like Donald Trump. The motherfucker walk around acting like they sing, but in real life, they're fucking bipolar. They don't take no fucking meds.
You burned it again.
Didn't burn it, asshole.